Welcome back to Tofu Week. So this week we have just done a ton of tofu recipes that are just quick, really quick to make, so that, you know, if you want dinner on the table in about 10 minutes, you can do that. Today, what I wanted to actually originally do was a Taiwanese style tofu that had the century-old egg and then also some pork floss, but we've never done century-year-old eggs on the channel yet, and I think I will have that. Oops. Today I wanted to make a home-style Taiwanese tofu with corn with eggs, and it's just really nice because there's like a nice sauce on top. It's served warm, and the egg substitute that I will be using is my favorite egg substitute, and that is ackee. I just think ackee has like a nice texture to it that, even though it's vegetal, it actually is lovely as egg, but I know that a lot of people can't find it, and ackee is very expensive. Ackee is very expensive here, but I don't know if ackee is as expensive in the States. Feel free to just substitute for a tofu scramble, although that style of egg that you would put on top of this dish is usually softer. So if you can find, you know, you could even use soft tofu again, or any other creative thing that you all have to kind of mimic egg. So feel free to do that, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy the recipe. Okay, so I have a Caribbean product, and I've used it before, and I've seen restaurants use it as an egg substitute, and it's really, really quite delicious. And it's salted ackee, and it's a fruit, but the texture is also soft, so it can definitely pass for egg. And sometimes I'll put in maybe a little bit of black salt if you wanted to mimic the egg flavor a little bit more. A little bit of sesame oil to get the onions frying, but you certainly can do this without any oil. Just want to bring the mixture up to a boil, and then we're going to add in our slurry and any adjustments for flavor. So if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can just add a little bit of sugar, or if you need it to be saltier, just adjust accordingly.